Over the years, a lot of the entrepreneurs have asked me, how can I be sure I'm making the right decision here? And I said, well, my experience is that nobody really knows how to make a right decision. But a lot of really great entrepreneurs know how to make a decision, and then very quickly, if it's a wrong decision, they can turn a wrong decision into a right decision. But if you keep holding off trying to make a decision, it's really the worst of both worlds, simply because of the fact that you haven't made a decision, so there's no possibility of you finding out anything. You keep delaying and delaying, and you're not getting any feedback from the world. The feedback's all inside your head, and the more you try to make a right decision before you move forward, before you take an action, you're confusing yourself and you're demoralizing yourself. So my whole attitude is to make a really fast, small decision that if it's right or wrong, I can test that out maybe in a matter of minutes, and that's my preferred technique for creating new ideas in Strategic Coach. I know, that a brand new idea is probably about 50% good, but I don't know whether it's going to really fly when I talk to my entrepreneurial clients in the Strategic Coach Workshop. And so what I do is I'll just try to find the fastest, smallest way to make a decision to put out a new idea. And then I'm just super alert. I'm very, very alert to feedback. And I'll say, if you were going to improve what I just said, how would you improve it? And immediately I start getting a lot of feedback, and then we're off and rolling. So it was a half-good decision. It was a half-good attempt, but I made it, and now I've got the real world, and they're all check writers. These are people who have written checks to actually get my ideas. So they're only going to tell me what's really valuable. So remember that if you're up against a decision right now and you say, how do I make that right? Well, the way you make it right is actually to put it out so other people, if it's not the right decision, they can correct you right away, and you can take advantage of their extra ideas and their extra knowledge about this, and they really want to help you. So you're just putting yourself where they're going to help you really make the right decision, but you have to go into action first. So here's the thing, it's almost impossible inside your own head to make a right decision, but it is possible for you to make a decision and then allow other people to make that decision right in a very short period of time.